Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be answering the question on how to get Spider-Punk Marvel rival skin, right? So many people are asking this question about the skin on Steam, on Reddit, everywhere. So what's basically happened is the skin was available, okay, the skin right here was available on the beta test, right? And people expected it to be in the main release as well. Those people who had it would get it also in the main release in their account, because people who got the Blue Venom skin and the Scarlet Witcher skins from the alpha and beta tests, they got to keep those skins, but the Spider Punk skin was not carried over. Okay, they did not bring this in. For example, also the Punisher skin. But these skins, don't worry guys, they will be in the battle pass, so you can still get them, but you can get them in the battle pass. Not everyone who had it in the beta and alpha versions for those other skins will have them in the main one. So don't worry, there's nothing wrong. Okay, you just have to wait for them in the battle pass, okay? So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.